Hey folks, it's Ben. We're here in our super dark Quonset, working on the Ford Probe. We finally figured out the idle issue. Fuel injector wasn't plugged in all the way, causing a massive vacuum leak. So you got that resolved. So what we're here now is our issue deals with the climate control. If you watch my Grand Prix series, you know I deal with that all the time. So our issue is that we have no lighting in here. That's something. We have fan control. So that's cool. But what we don't have is duct control. So it's all defrost, which is the default. So that's not cool. Another thing I didn't check is if, we'll see if we can listen to it over this very pleasant door open chime, is if we can hear something go on with the temperature switching. And if you heard that, there is a motor, so that part is working. So we do have the climate control motor. The AC doesn't work because it's not charged, and maybe we can get this guy to do something. We'll listen for it as well. So that definitely did, that's over here where the fan is. So that definitely works. But we're just not getting any sound here. So my concern is that maybe the ducts are stuck. I believe this is an electronic system, so there should be little servo motors doing their thing. And fortunately, I think my LED light's going to make this all wavy. Sorry about that. So the actuator motors are actually right up here. And there's actually only one panel in the way, and it's this one here, but it's got these little, I think they're T10s. I think that's what this is, a little star bit. There's four. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's a little plastic Phillips screw rivet here. And that should actually let this whole assembly drop out and show us the motor. On my parts car, because I've already done this ahead of time, because I want to know what I'm doing, it was actually actuating poorly because the grease had actually gotten old. So I'm guessing that's probably the same situation we have here. But I don't really have a tripod for the inside of the car, so I will undo all the screws and I'll meet you back here. All right, so we got this panel out. This car has a piece my parts car doesn't have. It's this plastic guy here. It's just a simple needle nose plier squeeze, and that lets that corner out, and you're free to go. Now you've got good access now to all your electricals, so that's pretty cool. And our clutch, steering, all that fun stuff there. But what we're looking for is that right there. This little servo is our motor that switches our ducting, and let's bring the light around to it. And so there's a motor in there somewhere. I can't quite see it. There it is. And it essentially operates this big cam. So my guess is that we're gonna have to maybe squirt this down a little bit, but let's go ahead and see if I can set my camera down. Actually, I'll just turn the key on. Get ready for the very friendly courtesy ding. Whoops, where's the key? Ignition, hold on. So what we can do now is switch it to defrost. Maybe help this guy out a little bit if it wants to run. If not, I'll be digging around and getting that other servo out of my other car. I need to spray some oil on this. This is our problem. Let me work on it a little bit. I'll get back to you. Okay, so this video is a little crazy in terms of shortness and how sweet that is. So what we have here is a can of Jigaloo. It's just a lubricant. It's a silicone type and not a WD-40. So hopefully it'll stay lubricatey. And now when I press buttons, look at this. It was just a matter of, and you can even see the duct move. Just a matter of lubricating it. So we'll stick the bottom back on, and that's how you, if you've lost your control on your air conditioning unit, I'll say at least for first gen probes, I can't speak after that, but this huge cam here is operated by a motor, and it just gets bound up with that lubricant, mostly probably due to lack of use, and just pull off the kick panel on the driver's door, lubricate it. I wiggled it a little bit with hand to see if it would do something, and it started to, so that's why I knew we were on the right path. Ta-da! Now we'll have air coming out of the blowers. In fact, I probably could turn the fan on. Yeah, you got wind out the side. If you got any questions, ask them. Comments, leave them too. And subscribe to my channel, Turbo231, for more probe stuff. I know some guys are looking for some Regal stuff too. That's coming, but I want to get this car 100%. Thanks for watching.